Before we talk about leash, let's talk about collar and harnesses. I strongly believe whenever you bring puppy home, please apply a collar, and also you can attach a small bell with it. So that way you know when your puppy is hiding or wherever he is. So this type of collar that I strongly suggest whenever you bring puppy home, make sure that you apply one of this leash, attach bell, and then after some time you can apply this type of collar. It's easier to attach a leash. So after 2-3 months of age, I will apply this type of collar, and also I will attach a leash, so that way your puppy feel comfortable with leash. So sometimes what happen when you take puppy out for a walk, they are not comfortable with leash, so that way they don't grab the leash or chew the leash. So now let's talk about some leash. So leash, I would use this 4 feet long, this is also called standard leash, which I will use it in the beginning when I start taking my dog out for a walk. Really good leash because you can keep control on your puppy. This leash is really good when you take your puppy out for a walk. Also, it depends which area are you walking your dog. Sometimes when you have open space, I would use a retractable leash, which is a longer leash, so your puppy has more room. At the same time, make sure that they are not picking any garbage in their mouth. So understand that what is your purpose when you take your dog out. If you are going to park, I will use this type of leash, and if you are just taking your dog out for their regular business, I will take this leash. There is one more type of leash that I use when I train dogs. This type of leash, this is also called training leash. So this is a collar, so you can adjust according to your dog's neck, and then there you go. So here I would use this type of leash when I take any dog out for a walk, and whenever I teach, when they are pulling a lot, I'll use this. Now let's talk about harness. I strongly recommend Julius Canine harness. This is no pull harness. So whenever you apply this harness, you can hold it from the top or you can attach a leash. Also, it glows in the dark. So at night time, whenever your dog is walking, people can easily see him.